Now comes the third paragraph. But Evelyn was not going to give up. Clear? So means after listening that she has lost her hearing sense, it doesn't dishearten her. Clear? She did not lose her heart because she was not ready to give up the idea. To give up means to leave. वो छोड़ना नहीं चाहती थी. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. So she was determined, she was firm in her decision to lead a normal life, because she wanted to lead a life which a normal people live, a normal person live like, and pursue her interest in music. And she also wanted to follow her interest in music because she wanted to make her career in music. She is interested in music. So she did not lose her heart hearing that she has lost her hearing sense, and she wanted, and she was firm in her decision to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music and follow the music anyhow. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. Xylophone, listen student, the picture is given here. It is a xylophone, a musical instrument with a row of wooden bars of different length. Listen students, different length means this is the big one, this is the small one. So they have different length wooden bars hai, sticks hai, and it is played with these two sticks. Clear? So you can see about this musical instrument in internet also. Okay, on internet also. So what she was, I'm sorry, yes, one day she noticed a girl playing xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it. Clear? So she noticed a girl who was playing xylophone and she was so attracted towards this instrument that she decided that she wanted to play it too. So she was interested in playing xylophone. Most of the teachers discouraged her. Most of the teacher discouraged means demotivated her. But percussionist Ron Forbes, listen student, he played a very important role in the life of Evelyn, especially in making her career in music. Clear? So he was a percussionist. What is percussionist? A musician who plays percussion instrument. Percussion means like drum, tabla, clear, dholak, these are called percussion. Clear? Percussion instrument. Clear? Which were on metal or wood body, and there is also some type of skin used to on which the instrument is played upon. Clear? Spotted. He, Ron Forbes, spotted her potential. Potential means his ability. So he found out the ability of Evelyn in music, and he knew that she can do better in the field of music. He began by turning two large drums into different notes. So how? What he did for Evelyn, he started to encourage her so that she can hear music from other parts, because she was not able to listen. What he did, he began to two large drum. To means he took two large drum and started playing different notes. Different note means musical notes means higher one and the lower one. Clear? So he started playing two large drum. So one on lower note and one in higher note. Don't listen through your ears, he would say. Try to sense it more somehow. It's some other way, says Evelyn. So Evelyn says while he was playing, he was trying to say to her as if that he was advising her not to listen through the ears, as she could not hear. She was deaf, and that's why while he was playing drums, he was advising her to listen not through from her ears but try to sense it. Means he wanted to tell her to sense the vibes of music, the vibrations of music in some other manner. Suddenly I realized. So Evelyn, what is Evelyn trying to say here? That while he was playing the drum, he was inspiring her to feel music from some other body parts. Suddenly she realized that I could feel the higher drums from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. So at that time she realized that she could feel the higher notes of the drum from the waist up, means from the upper body part, and the lower notes from the waist down, means she could able to hear or feel the vibrations of the lower notes of the drum from her waist down, means the body part below the waist, means legs. Okay, then Forbes repeated the exercise and soon Evelyn discovered. So he repeated this exercise playing two types of drum in two different notes. Means, so he did it again and again, and soon Evelyn, and शीघ्र ही मतलब जल्दी ही, very early Evelyn just came to know about the point that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body, that she was able to sense the notes of music from her different body parts, because she was not able to hear but she could feel the vibration of the music notes from her body parts. I had learned to open my mind and body to sound and vibration, and at that time, with the exercise which Forbes helped her to do, she was able to learn, open my mind, means she was at that time realized that she can open up her mind and listen sounds through the other body part, to feel the sounds and vibration from the other body parts. The rest was sheer means complete, absolute. Sheer means absolute. Determination means act of determining, निश्चय करना, and hard work. And when she realized that she could feel the music vibrations, music notes, and है ना, from the other body part, at that time, what she learned how she could make her career in the music. And then what did she do? What she did? Sheer determination means absolute her will, strong will to follow her dream and her hard work.